welcome to share our experience, me and my colleagues.
And I work for the wildlife and ecosystem conservation.
所认证的部分，他们有那个承认的那些国际组织。
For the Tamil Nadu, same like this, we have a East Coastal Road. It's a totally
Asia or Europe. For the festival and general in Taiwan.
Here's working with ecotourism.
If there is any heritage destination listed
in Taiwan bridge that gap, what policy did you put in place?
So for the more than 10 years, I've been on sustainability criteria. There is
More sustainability and promote the tours that they do. So I think that is more.
A lot of things has changed because of the pandemic and COVID situation.
Tools that the community they built by themselves.
There should be a close monitoring team.
An organization just like the ICDF. Also, remember, the owners of the. So nobody wants to be included to pay their taxes.
Because you say that you're the government and the owners of the park are not.
But we can promote and raise awareness for it.
a numbering graph. First question was, were you and your
对，没有错。
Are we going to be able to see it?
因为我们刚刚有提到过90号，就是90号。
的题目是一开始让居民
How does the community know what they want to do with the space that they want to redevelop?
This is revitalization, where emphasis is placed more or less on focus.
The involvement of the government in our project.
这边是渔民休息的场所。高脚夫透明下去，去底下花。他哪有苗林呐？汤。
例如说甘蔗或者是蔬菜的一个。
Your activities. When you bring, I would like to know how much does a 1-day and 2-day tours cost.
You have the Ramsar side designation.
In bird population or the new species choice display.
除了鸟类本身的多样的外形、颜色啊、羽毛等等之外，我也请
哇，宜兰就比较有这个，红海蓝啊，跟海苔这个。
The ICDF, this is a black face, and this one is a white face. This one is male. This 背部羽毛是棕色。
那个是苍鹭。
First case that I and my students work on, which is 都是做生态旅游的发展。那个生态旅游。
The question is, in the first part, we talk about the totally capacity control.
Challenges or obstacles that
dangerous and insects in the forest. You have
belly part of the mother.
We knew that you are going to be beneficial.
In Taiwan, I realize everything they do it as one, and I love to see that the tourism is basically about the people, and I love that.
Yeah.